Hello dear students, how are you all today? Okay, I hope you all are fine. Okay, now let's start today's class. Today we are going to continue chapter 2, parts of computer. Okay, in previous class we had talked about monitor and keyboard, and today we will discuss about CPU and monitor. Okay, so let's recall again what we had learned about monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It's an output device and it shows the text typed in and the work done by us. Means whatever we will done, it will be displayed on the screen of monitor. Okay, now there are the picture of two monitors. This one is called CRT monitors and this one is called LCD monitor. Okay, next part was keyboard. So a keyboard, it is an input device which is used for typing letters, words, numbers and other symbols also. It has many keys on it, that's why it is called keyboard. Okay, and a standard keyboard has 104 keys. Okay, now start. Next important part of computer is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of computer. Like see how as the brain is important for human body, similarly the CPU is important for computer. The work of brain is to make the things happen, to process the things and then telling the output. Similarly in CPU also, the CPU is responsible for all the processing of computer. Means computer में जो भी processing होती है, it happens inside the CPU. It helps a computer to think and to do all its work. In our human body, what help us to think and do tasks? Our brain. Similarly in computer system, the CPU helps the computer to do things and to do all its work. So it happens with the help of CPU. Okay, it is also help computer to remember things. Okay, like you store information in your brain na? And then someone asks you any questions, so you recall it and you get the information from your brain and then you give the answer. So similarly it helps to remember the things. Okay, and how it remembers? Question is na ki how it remembers the things. Like if you remember anything, so it shows that you have stored that information in your mind. That's why you are able to give the answer. Similarly, the CPU stores the information inside it. Okay, and then it remembers it, or then it gives the answer of any question that you ask. The question of answer means any information that you want to get from computer. Okay, so what is the work of CPU? It is called the brain of computer system. It helps a computer to think and to do all its work, and it also helps a computer to remember things. Okay, so this is the work of a CPU. Okay, now come to next part. Next important part of computer is the mouse. It looks like a real mouse. See, this is the small body of this mouse and this one it looks like a tail. You know? So just because it looks like a real mouse, so that's why this device is called mouse. Okay, now come to main point. A computer mouse, it is also a input device like keyboard. Okay, it's also a input device using which we can give input. We can give instructions to the computer system. Okay, now see it carefully. There are a computer mouse, there are 3 or mainly 2 or 3 buttons on it. A computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. Like this one is called the left button, this is the right one, and this is called the scroll bar. Okay, it is used to point, move and select any item on the computer monitor. मीन्स सपोज इफ अगर आपको कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे किसी भी चीज़ को वन प्लेस से अनदर प्लेस पे मूव करना है, सो फॉर दैट विच डिवाइस यू विल यूज़ माउस फॉर दैट. Okay, because using mouse we can click, we can point. Suppose you want to move any thing from one place to another, so you will click on that particular thing and then you will move it. Okay, it also helps us to draw pictures and play music. Okay, if you want to make drawing on computer system, so for that also you will use computer mouse. Okay, so the work of mouse is to point, to move and select any item on the computer screen, and it also helps us to draw pictures and play games. Okay, another important part of computer is printer. Printer is the optional part because it's not necessary कि all the systems have printer attached with it, so it's a optional component but it's very important. Like it is an output device. It gives the output as a printed form. Means like monitor is also an output device but it doesn't give us printed copy. It shows the result on the screen only. But suppose आपको कोई letter है and आपको पेज पे उसको चाहिए, तो for that we will use printer. It prints the detail on the page and it gives us output on the page. Okay, so a printer is used to print the text or pictures on a paper. Okay, the printed copy on paper is called the hard copy. Means आपको पेपर पे जो printed पेपर मिलता है that is called hard copy. Okay, उसको क्या बोलेंगे, हार्ड कॉपी बोलेंगे. और जो इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज़ स्टोर्ड इनसाइड द CPU और विच वी सी ऑन अ मॉनिटर, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट कॉपी. ओके, there are three types of printers commonly used. First is dot matrix printer, second is inkjet printer, and third is laser printer. So these all three are the types of printers. ठीक है, among these three the laser printer is advanced one. Okay, this is the advanced one. These two also are very good, but this is the advanced one. Okay, so that's all for today. About remaining parts we will discuss in next class. Okay, till then take care of yourself and revise the topic discussed in the class. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.